Hello everyone, Tim the Train Guy here once again, and today I'm going to do a bit of a how-to video. Today I'm going to try to make a level crossing here on my HO scale layout that I have here at home. To do that, I'm going to be using these cheap craft wood sticks that I picked up at Hobby Lobby for about $3. So let's get into it. Alright, so I got a few of the sticks out of the bag there, and real quick I figured I should show you what these tape markings are. This was basically how wide I would need it for a 2-lane road on a, with these HO scale cars here, if you can see that. But yeah, so these sticks look like they're just long enough to span the whole thing there, so basically just gonna glue these down, and then since they're a bit taller than the rails, I'll probably sand them down a bit to be flush. And there you can see the, well, sort of finished crossings. I'm gonna wait for the glue to dry and then sand them flush with the rails, and then I'm gonna add some paint as well to make them look a bit more realistic. Okay, it is next morning. I've sanded these middle sections down to be flush with the rails. Reason I did that was because I wanted to ensure that couplers and other parts of the locomotives and rolling stock don't get caught on anything. So now let's move on to painting. Alright, so the paint mixture that I used is this Mission Models rust color. I don't know if you, oh yeah, there it is, dark rust there. And also this Testors wood color paint. I don't know, where's a number on there? Yeah, so I just sort of mixed them together in this old spray can lid, and I just put it over the wood, and I think that sort of resembles like old creosote lumber, but we really won't know till it's dried, so we'll see. Okay, it is now several hours later, and I'd say we're looking pretty good. I might tweak that a bit in the future, but for now I'm happy with it. I'll probably do another video where I actually make the roads that go up to it, so stay tuned for that. But as always, thank you all for watching. I'm Tim the Train Guy, and bye for now.